Hey everybody! Today we are going to practice writing our numbers. So you should have your chalkboard, your chalk that you can write with, and an eraser. All right, are you ready to get started? Let's go. So the first number we are going to write is the number 1. This one is pretty easy peasy. You start at the top where my little sticker is, and you just pull a straight line down and stop at the bottom. I want you to try now. Do that on your chalkboard. Start at the top, straight line down, and stop at the bottom. Good job. Now take your eraser and erase that line so we can do our next number. Who thinks they know what number is next? What number comes after 1? 2. We are going to make the number 2. Now, when we make the number 2, we're going to pretend that we are a choo-choo train. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to start at the top, and we're going to go around the back of the railroad track. We stop in that corner, and then we take off. Choo-choo. Okay, I want you to do that now. Start at the top, go around the back of the railroad track, stop in the corner, and take off. Choo-choo. If you mess up, no worries, just erase it and try again. Great job. Take that eraser and erase your number 2. What number do you think we're going to do next? You got it, 3. We are working on the number 3. So we start up at our sticker again, and we're going to do 2 little curves. Okay, so if we pretend there's like a middle line right there, we're gonna do a little curve to the middle and a little curve to the bottom. It's kind of like you're making a B, but without the straight line on the side. So now you try it. Start at your sticker, do a little curve to the middle and a little curve to the bottom. Remember, if you mess up, no big deal. Erase it, try again. Good job. Let's go ahead and erase our number 3. So we've done the number 1. We've done the number 2. We've done the number 3. What do you think we're gonna do next? 4. Okay, this guy he's pretty easy peasy if we just take our time. So we're gonna start up here again, and we're gonna pretend there's that middle spot in the middle of our board. We go down to the middle, slide to the right, and then we take a big line and cut it in half. So I want you to try that now. You start at the top, you go down, you slide, you cut it in half. Some of the kids think that this part looks like an L, and you're just cutting the L in half. Alrighty, Let's go ahead and erase our number 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is pretty fun to write. When you're writing the number 5, we're gonna pretend we're making a little man. So we go down, give him a big belly, go around to the bottom, and then you come back up and put on his hat. So you try that now. Go, start at your sticker, go down about halfway. This is the top of the man. You go around and give him a big belly all the way to the corner. And then you come back up, put on his hat. If it's a little bit tricky, see if one of your friends next to you who knows how to write the number 5 can help you. All right, go ahead and take your eraser and you're going to erase your number 5. Okay, let's see what we're doing next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now with the number 6, we are going to pretend that we have a little bear. And our little bear is trying to make his way to his cave. So our little bear starts up here. He goes down to find his cave. When he finds it, he's going to curl up into a ball because it's time to hibernate. I want you to try that now. Your little bear, he's starting up here. He goes straight down looking for his cave. Then he's gonna start to curl up. He found it. He's curling up because it's time to hibernate. Nice job. Go ahead and erase your number 6. Okay, so let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we talk about 7 a lot. This one should be easy peasy for you guys. You start at the dot on your 7. You go across the sky. And when you go down from heaven, that's our little poem, you go diagonal. So we go across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way you make a 7. Okay, I want you to do that. Across the sky, you're going diagonal from one corner all the way to the corner at the bottom. Down from heaven. That's the way you make a 7. Great job. Erase your 7s. Our next number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we make the number 8, he's a little bit different. He doesn't like to start at the dot. He doesn't like to start at the opposite corner. He likes to start in the middle. So I'm gonna put a dot in the middle just so I have somewhere to start from. The number 8 does not like any corners. So when he starts at the top, we are going to make an S. And when you make an S, it's like 2 little curves, a little curve going this way, and then a little curve going the opposite way. So here we go. We make an S. We have a little curve going that way, and then we're gonna connect it and do a little curve going the opposite way. Like that. And then this is his home. So you make an S. And then you go back home. All right, so everybody do that with me. You make an S and go back home. Start at that dot, make an S, go back home. He's a little bit trickier than the other ones, but I bet you're doing great. Go ahead and take your eraser again. Erase that number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He does not like to start at our dot. He does not like to start in the middle. He likes to start all the way in the corner. So the first thing he likes to do is make a little curve around. So little curve around and then straight line down. Easy peasy. Start at the corner, at the opposite corner. Little curve around all the way to the middle. Straight line down. Okay, let's go ahead and erase our number 9. And our very last number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And a 10 is special because it has 2 numbers. A 1, which you already know how to make. So you can draw a 1. And a 0. Start at the top, curve around, touch the bottom, and come back up. A 1 and a 0. All right, go ahead and erase that. Now, with your extra time, I want you to either practice writing these numbers again, or because you know how to write all of these numbers, you can practice writing any number. So if you decided you wanted to practice 37, well, a 37 starts with a 3 and ends with a 7. You can practice writing that. You can practice just writing one number at a time. You can start at number 1 and practice writing all of your numbers like we did over here. It is up to you. You guys did a great job today writing your numbers, working hard. I'm so proud of you. Now finish doing some numbers and then raise your hand so that I can come over and check what you have done.